JWW channel in 2018, and I don't know how we're going to top 2017, but already we are kicking off 2018 with a hell of a journey. I've already flown my 458 Speciale to Dubai with Emirates, and I'm now on another Emirates flight on my way there to be reunited with it for 2 weeks of what is already planned to be absolute epicness with my own car halfway around the world. I'm kind of finding it hard to believe. So my car actually flew separately to me, and it's actually already there. And before I got on this plane, I was sent pictures of it arriving, being taken off the plane, cleared through customs, and it's so strange seeing a car so familiar to you being so far away and in this juxtaposition of like the desert. It's incredible. Anyway, we're back on Emirates. We're back working with these guys. They have done the logistics and flown the car over there, and just look at this place. I'm always just put this down. This is actually, despite me overlapping from New Year's Eve to this journey, this is the first glass of champagne I've had to celebrate. So once again, Happy New Year, welcome. Let me show you this suite. It is quite something. Look at the size of it. Look at the leg room. And this whole thing transforms into a complete bed, and there's everything. I mean, the infotainment on here is endless, but I love how much info. Like, I'm fascinated by all of the stats of the actual plane and the journey itself. There's so many different angles I got. I mean, look at this. That's pointing directly down to Earth. I think, is this the front facing? I mean, look at that. This one though, this is ultimate for me. Now that's the GoPro angle right there. Now I've got about 6 hours left of this flight. Not complaining. It is one of the most luxurious flights I think I've ever been on. But there's one more feature I need to show you before we get on with this journey. Land in Dubai, and we have a really cool surprise waiting for us when we get to the airport. So let's hit it. Now, I have been treated to flying first class, and I have to show you this. This is the most abstract thing I have ever seen on a plane. Look at the size of this room. This isn't so much as a toilet. This is like a whole bathroom. There's an actual shower in here. Look at this. There's a shower in the plane. And it's gorgeous. It's like marble floor. And also, the floor I'm on now is heated. This is a heated floor, and you can actually, I think, yes, you can control how warm you'd like your tootsies. It's amazing. Look at this. We got a full hair dryer. Basically, I'm in a little hotel room. It's crackers. Pay attention to detail of all of this. Amenities and treats. Yeah. We're kickstarting 2018 on a next level adventure. I am so blown away by this. It's just the fact that it's on an aeroplane. It's a big space to use. Look at it. Like, you could lie down in here. It's massive. Super impressed. I love this detail. It's the sort of abstract Dubai skyline on the wall. On the wall. The bathroom has a wall. Mad. Anyway, let me show you a little bit more on this plane, and we'll get ourselves on the ground in Dubai, where I did mention there is a special treat waiting for us to really get us in the mood for what's about to unfold in Dubai. Alright, made it to Dubai, we have landed, and something incredible happened. When I posted online that I was coming to Dubai, some supercar owners, really, I guess a small supercar club, reached out and said, do you fancy us coming to pick you up from the airport? Well, absolutely, that is a resounding yes, and I can just see through the door now. I can see some bright coloured cars, Hurricane Spider. Let's go check this out. This is one hell of a way to be collected from the airport. What? Check this out. This is crazy, man. Look at this.
This is my convoy, my ride from the airport. This wonderful group of fantastic people over here has arranged this car. How funny is this? I literally just left the same colour 720S back in England, only this must have a satin PPF on it. Looks amazing. So these are our cars from the airport to the hotel. Absolutely ridiculous. Now this is crazy. So if you've been staying in tune with my Instagram account or general social media accounts, you'll know that I've just been graced with the honour of getting a build slot for a Gen 2 991 GT3, and I'm toying with the possibility of getting it in Miami Blue. We have two here. Look at this. What an honour. Oh man, this is so crazy. How do you even say thanks for an opportunity like this? Anyway, I have no idea which car I'm in, so we're going to dump bags in the support car and then head on over to the hotel. Okay, slight change of plans. I've been given the keys to a Lamborghini Huracan. That is most certainly not standard. Let's just... I believe it has an IPE exhaust fitted to it. So yeah, these guys are not playing around. This is unbelievable. Everyone here is so nice, like incredibly friendly. This is, I'm still kind of taken back a bit, like just the hospitality and just friendliness of everyone here is absolutely, and look, someone just give me the keys to their Huracan. I've just stepped out of the door of the airport. Let's put it in sport. I think it'd be rude not to, wouldn't it? It's particularly with an IPE exhaust on. In fact, Corsa. So I did say I'm not sure how we were going to top 2017, but if we keep on going like this, we are less than 24 hours into 2018. I've flown halfway around the world, and I find myself in a convoy of supercars in Dubai. Let's hit it. That's so good. I always forget how amazing the skyline here is. It looks incredible. It's like, what time are we? We're approaching 10 o'clock and it's 22.5 degrees. It was -3 when I left home.
Mr. James, we are really privileged to have you in our hotel.
No, I'm privileged to be here.
It's such a privilege, and we hope that you're going to have a wonderful stay with us.
It's already fantastic meeting you, sir. It's phenomenal.
My name is Jacob from Kenya.
Jacob from Kenya. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Everyone's so super friendly. Also, we've already got gifts. All right, end of travel day. Hotel for the first week. We're at the JW Marriott Marquise. Stayed here a few times. It's absolutely fantastic, and everyone, as you've seen, is super friendly. But no one is as friendly as those amazing people who put on that collection from the airport. What an incredible occasion to step out of the airport and be collected by a supercar convoy. And we're just getting started. That is literally the few hours that we've landed here in Dubai. The next few weeks, honestly, are going to be off the scale. Tomorrow, I'm going to be reunited with my Speciale, which is somewhere here in Dubai at NVN. Very excited to see that. Some of the guys that were in that group earlier were even saying that they've been to NVN and seen the car. So I'm super excited for that. We've got track days, we've got Jebel J's coming up with 75 supercars, and the government are closing the road for us again. And since then they've added another 6K onto it, and I think we're going to be the first group of cars to drive the full new road, which I'm super excited about. Yeah, we're also meeting up with Supercar Club of Arabia. The list goes on. And of course, as well, we're going to be absorbing you guys in the sights, sounds and culture of Dubai, and who knows what else is going to unfold while I'm here. Anyway, it's starting to get way past my bedtime. It is about 2 a.m. in the morning here. I've just been out with some food with those lovely fellows. Now we're going to call it a day. Please subscribe, because what is coming, you guys need alerts for. As always, thanks for watching. See you next time. Ciao.